Hello there, and welcome to a project we're calling Everyone Aloud at Christmas. We had hundreds of people from all over the world take part in our Everyone Aloud choir for St. David's Day, so we thought we should do something again for Christmas. We want you to join us in song again, and we're going to create another huge virtual choir, this time singing a Christmas favourite. We have a new two-part arrangement of rocking around the Christmas tree. We have two parts that you can sing, the top part, which is the melody, and then the bottom part, which is the harmony. If you fancy singing both and sending them both to us, that would be fantastic. So we need you to watch the relevant video. All the links are in the box below. Pop some headphones on, and then record yourself singing along on a different device, computer, tablet or phone, so we only hear your voice and not the backing track and guide vocals. Please make sure that the recording is landscape or sideways, and then send that in to us, and we will put all of the recordings together to create a fantastic Christmas virtual choir. So, a quick reminder, select the relevant link, the tune or the harmony from below, with either the words on the screen or for you music readers, with the score on the screen. Put in some headphones, set up another phone, device, camera, computer, tablet that you can record yourself and then film yourself sideways, landscape, singing along to the track you're listening to. Send that recording to us here in Aloud. The link of where to send it is in the box below. You will see in the track there is a dance break. Feel free to show me your moves, or if you want to record something else, yourself doing something Christmassy, then record that separately and send that as well. Please feel free to pop on a Christmas jumper or anything else you fancy wearing that looks a bit festive. Good luck, have fun, and any questions or problems, please email us on the address below. We can't wait to receive all of your videos. The deadline for submissions is midnight on Sunday the 12th of December. Enjoy.